Hello everyone, we are from Magendra Engineering College. Our problem statement title is Mobile App for Direct Market Access for Farmer. Proposed solution. Our mobile app is designed to bridge the gap between farmer and consumer, offering a platform for direct market access and fostering a strong connection within the agriculture community. Technical approach. Methodology and process of implementation. Application and website. Technology to be used: Java programming language and HTML. Prototyping: Android Studio and Visual Studio. Viability and viability. Market demands: farmer participation, consumer adoption, financial model. Impact and benefit: increase the market reach, enhance the brand visibility. No in the research and reference. Here we have the reference for the mentioned details, and thanks for watching this video.